We all know the feeling of asking an AI a question and getting a perfectly composed answer. It feels like magic. But imagine telling 100 of those AI agents to go run your company at the exact same time. Without a structured plan, agents often overlap on tasks, lose track of their original instructions, or accidentally expose your company's private data to the public. To safely launch a single rocket, you need a powerful engine. But to run an entire space program, you need mission control. That is exactly what Multinex is. It is an operating system built specifically to bring strict order to a swarm of autonomous AI agents. Multinex organizes unpredictable scripts into a coordinated digital workforce that operates within your specific security parameters. Look at this structure assembling itself. This is Mars, or the Multi-Agent Runtime System. Mars is the secure, foundational environment where all your AI agents actually live and work. Notice that glowing boundary wrapping around it. That represents the system's constitution. It is a hard-coded set of rules that dictates exactly what the agents are allowed to do. If an agent tries to break those rules, a protocol called Legion steps in. Legion acts as the enterprise overseer, instantly rejecting and removing any agent that steps out of line. Outside of that, we have the AEG's shield. This outer perimeter protects the entire system by deflecting malicious prompts or external threats. The shield also automatically scrubs out PII, or personally identifiable information, like human names and social security numbers. This ensures your AI never accidentally mishandles private data. By combining the Mars environment, the Legion Overseer, and the AEG's shield, you get an airtight space where AI can work freely without violating company policies. Now, a frequent challenge with AI is that it tends to forget context or repeat the same mistakes on complex multi-day projects. This ledger solves that problem. It's called the Soul Journal, and it sits inside the system's memory stack. It acts as a permanent append-only library of everything the AI has ever learned. To make sure the AI actually learns, Multinex enforces the Ouroboros loop. This is a mandatory self-correction protocol where every agent must write a reflection of what it learned into the Soul Journal before it can start a new task. Even with perfect memory, a major security question remains. How do we actually verify the identity of the AI before it makes a permanent change to your company's systems? This gate represents the airlock, which uses the Visa system. Visa is a cryptographic passport that mathematically proves an agent's identity before it can cross network boundaries or interact with external services. The rule here is absolute. No Visa, no execution. If an agent wants to spend money or alter code, it must present a valid, signed identity ticket, or it gets blocked. You oversee all of this through the Monk's CLI. A CLI, or Command Line Interface, is a text-based dashboard that lets human operators orchestrate the entire swarm from a single screen. Because the system forces agents to record their progress in the Soul Journal and verify their identity via Visa, every action is fully accountable and traceable. Let's bring this back down to earth. In a modern corporate environment, the stakes are incredibly high. For large organizations, scaling AI is a question of absolute trust. Every action must be verifiable, and every piece of data must remain secure. Multinex builds that trust by letting you deploy a sovereign swarm directly on your own hardware. This means your data stays entirely private and remains within your physical and digital control. Humans maintain final authority over every critical decision through a mechanism called the User Agent Bond, or UAB. A UAB is a dual-signed agreement where both the human and the AI must cryptographically approve an irreversible change before it occurs. When governed under these strict rules, AI operates with the precision of a high-performance team working in total synchronization with your existing staff. Multinex provides the infrastructure to deploy a secure, autonomous, and fully auditable agentic workforce.